third graders, today our lesson is on considering opposing opinions. So we are going to read the mentor text called Should People Be Allowed to Keep Exotic Pets? And then we're going to look at some examples of opposing opinions on the next page. Millions of tigers, bears, monkeys, and other wild animals are kept privately in the homes of humans in the United States. In fact, between 5,000 and 7,000 tigers are kept as pets nationwide, while as few as 3,200 are left in the wild. These types of pets mentioned above are called exotic pets. Exotic pets can be defined as rare or unusual animals that are a part of a wild species and kept as a pet by a human. In many states, it is against the law to own exotic pets, but in other states, it is allowed if you have a permit. Some people believe that as long as animals are caged properly and have no way of getting loose, it should be okay to own an exotic pet. However, I believe exotic pets should not be allowed. One of the reasons I think people should not be allowed to own an exotic pet is that it's cruel to the animal in captivity. These animals are called wild animals for a reason, and they belong in the wild. Many of the animals are purchased as babies and are taken from their mothers at a very young age. These animals are removed from their natural habitats and placed in habitats or homes that can be difficult for them to survive in. Other times, the animals that are purchased as babies get so big their owners are no longer able to care for them or keep them as pets any longer. In these cases, some exotic pet owners will release them back into the wild. However, these animals have never learned to hunt or survive in the wild on their own, and many don't survive. Some exotic pet owners say that owning a dog can be just as risky as owning an exotic pet. This is because both of these animals bite or attack unexpectedly. However, dogs have been domesticated or trained to be kept as pets for almost 10,000 years, thus making dogs more trustworthy and tame to keep as a pet in your home. Exotic pets are being taken directly from the wild into the homes of humans. This is not only life-threatening to the pet living outside its natural habitat, but it is also dangerous for the owner of the wild animal as well. Some exotic pet owners have been unexpectedly attacked by their pets, resulting in major injuries and sometimes even death. For example, there are many documented stories of chimpanzees, bears, and tigers attacking their owners when they least expect it. So, when thinking about the next pet you would like to have living in your home as a companion, think about animals like a dog, a hamster, goldfish, or a cat. Deciding against having an exotic animal as a pet may help save the life of a wild animal and possibly your life as well. Now turn to the next page in your packet called Opposing Opinion. You do not need to write anything down today. Instead, we are just going to look at some examples of opposing opinions. Someone's opinion may be, our cafeteria needs to serve Chipotle for lunch. An opposing opinion, or someone who does not agree with that, might be, Chipotle is fast food and not healthy for kids. Reason. Some people argue that Chipotle is just fast food and not healthy. However, Chipotle uses fresh ingredients to make their food healthier than other fast food restaurants. Another example of an opinion might be, our family desperately needs a vacation to the beach. An opposing opinion could be, vacations are too expensive. Let's look at the reasoning. I can hear you saying a vacation is too expensive. Well, it doesn't have to be. We bring our own food so that we don't have to eat out. Plus, Playing at the beach is free. Remember to save your packet in your writer's folder so you know exactly where it is the next time that you need it.